This is the VEVOR 2-bar lat pull-down set. Now, full disclosure, they did send this to me for a review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so with this set, you get a few different attachments. There is a thick bicep rope, then there's this 2-in-1 lat pull-down bar. It's kind of put together with some pins here. So you can use this as a wide grip lat pull-down, or you can use these two handles in the center here for a narrow grip. And if you want to pull both ends off to just have it as the narrow grip, you can. And then there is also a set of these cable fly handles. Now I will mention these are just plastic with a foam grip on them, so I'm not sure how well they're going to hold up, but as long as you don't get too heavy with it, they should work. But anyway, in addition to the different handles, you also get a full set of cables and pulleys, and all the different straps and hookups you'll need to actually use them. And it comes with a pretty good set of carabiners here as well, so you can easily hook up the different attachments. And one more thing to mention here, this set is rated for up to 280 pounds, which should be enough for most people. And the only other thing you will need to set this up is some type of pull-up bar, or at least some type of mounting point that is taller than your head. And what I'm using here is one of the VEVOR multi-purpose weight racks. And setting this up, the instructions do kind of show you how to set it up in a few different ways, but whatever you decide to use, as long as you can wrap a strap around it at the top or hook it to it, then it will work. It comes with these straps, so I just kind of wrap that around the bar here and then clip that to one of the pulleys. Then you basically run the cable through it down to the floor and you hook it up to this metal weight holder. And this makes it very easy to load weights on. You kind of just unclip this, load your weights on, and then clip this back on. And it does have a 2-inch metal sleeve that fits over the 1-inch metal post. So if you do have weights with 1-inch diameter holes, this will still work with those. Also, I will point out on the bottom of the folder here, there is a little bit of a felt pad, so that should help reduce noise a little bit, but you are still dropping this right down onto the floor, so you probably should be careful not to damage the floor. Also, I forgot to mention, but there is this plastic clamp that fits onto the 1-inch post, and you can clamp that on there to hold this piece in place. I don't think it's necessary, but it's there if you want it. But anyway, once all that is hooked up and you got this hooked up to the top, then you can attach any one of the handles and start using it to exercise. You can set up the rope for some tricep pushdowns, works pretty well. Or if you clip on this thing, you can do your different lat pull downs. And I do also want to mention this does come with a couple of these cable clamps, which can be very helpful if you want to set the length of where this thing is at. If you are using it for lat pull downs or something like that, it is at a little bit of an awkward height, so you kind of have to sit on the floor to use it. If you are able to raise this up a bit, maybe you have a taller pull-up bar, then you could use a bench to sit on, but like this, it's a little bit too short to use a bench. Also, this does come with another length of rope here as well. Also, this does come with another length of cable here as well. This one is 90 inches long and that one is 70 inches. Now, just one more thing here, trying to set it up for the cable flies. I'm not exactly sure how you're supposed to do that. The instructions kind of tell you how to do it, but it's not the most clear. And you can't use both cables to set it up, as it kind of implies, because of course they are two different lengths, so the handles don't end up as the same length. I think one way to do it is kind of like this, where you hook both of the cables together and then you just put one of the carabiners through the cable like this. And I guess setting it up like this, it does seem to work all right. I'm able to pull on both of these and it is working. It just feels a little bit awkward, like there should be a better way to do it. But yeah, I mean, overall, it's not perfect, but I think it works pretty well. It's a really good price for what you get. And I really like how you can set it up on any different pull-up bar. If you do have a bit more space than getting a full-on lat pull-down machine, I would definitely recommend. It's going to be a little bit more expensive, but the one VEVOR sent me is just about 3 times the price of this kit, and it works great. I've been very happy with it. But when it comes to just an inexpensive space-saving cable kit, then I'd say this one works well enough.